Hey guys, welcome back. So today what I have for you is I'm going to do a video full face of Arbonne makeup, and then also kind of explain why I started buying from Arbonne as well as how I became a consultant. So let's go ahead and get on started. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Arbonne Makeup Primer. This is 1 fluid ounce, so just standard, just like everyone else out there that does a foundation or primers. Their sizes are just as equivalent. So how did I come across Arbonne? So I came across Arbonne when I was on Instagram, and a girl that I went to high school with, her name is Whitney, she actually had been using their products and had seen significant results with her skin. She had suffered from some acne, as well as she saw tremendous amount of debloat as well as weight loss too. Another thing that I was interested in was that most makeup and just regular everyday products have a ton of toxins in them, and some of them are not cruelty free. So that is something that I try to buy, is more natural products, and this has kind of helped me do it a little bit easier. Next, I'm going to be using the Perfecting Liquid Foundation. It does have SPF 15. And yes, I was pretty sure, because I'm pretty sure that's why I researched it. So this SPF is made from zinc oxide. I am actually allergic and sensitive to regular SPFs in most products, as well as just regular sunblock. I break out in a hive rash. So it's nice that I was able to find them to be able to have a foundation that also has sunblock in it. So I can kind of do a 2-for-1. Buying things first. What I actually did was they were having a promo for free signups when you spent like $100 or something. And so it actually signed you up to be a consultant. And so I did that. But first what I did was I bought a bunch of samples to try on myself, as well as to give out to family and friends, and to see kind of how their reactions were to the items. So first what I had got was their Natural Energy. So it's a fizz stick, and so it's similar to Zip Fizz, but it's better for you. Why is it better for you? It's got a ton more vitamins in it, and it actually also tastes a lot better. That's the main reason why I really enjoy it. I really like the citrus flavor. They have citrus, pomegranate, as well as limited editions. So green apple is the one right now, but they also have strawberry, green apple, and blood orange. So they're all really, really good, and they're all really affordable. It's about $1 a serving when you're a consultant, and just a little bit over that if you're just a preferred client. So it's pretty awesome, and I have samples. Of course, if you live near me, I'm happy to help you guys out if you wanted to try. But you just take one. Oh, they also have rosé, so I also purchased that one too, and it has no alcohol in it, but it's the flavor of rosé champagne. But the whole line, I got this whole bundle around Christmas time that I'm using today, and it's just great. This is just the concealer, so it's just a regular wand with like a little doe foot applicator. This shade is in Fair. My absolute favorite item that I have purchased from Arbonne is their shakes. So protein shakes, and they are non-dairy, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan. They're just incredible, and they don't taste. I'm very, very picky when it comes to protein shakes. If I can taste any bit of the protein, I will not eat it. So this is definitely just has such a good flavor, and they have vanilla and chocolate, and then they also have the limited edition. So right now I still have some of my marble cake, and that one's really good. And you can also bake with the protein. So I'll make a waffle, you can make banana bread, you can make other goodies, protein bites, whatever, you know, you name it, you can make it with them. And then I just blend it in a Vitamix, and it's just perfect with some almond milk and some frozen berries, and you're full. It's just so good. Another that I like is that they have natural like fiber that you can just add into your daily food. So it's just like a powder, so I'll add it into the shake, as well as Digestive Plus. It just helps your gut and everything kind of digest, as well as the green shot. It helps you get your full servings of fruits and veggies in that. So it's just actually really convenient. Just having a heck of a time getting my powder open. But I just think it's really convenient. It just gets shipped right to your door, and you don't have to like leave your house and search. It's all in one spot. So my makeup, my skincare too. I've been using their skincare. I've been using all ARBONNE products since October, and I notice a big difference when I use that, and my skin just looks really, really good when I keep up on my skincare and just use my ARBONNE makeup. Everything just looks a lot better. So that is my why. I just fell in love with the products kind of right away, and hopped on and started buying things and do not regret it at all. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help and give out samples if anybody is interested. So this is kind of messy. This is the palette that I also got. So I'm going to go in down here on this kind of darker brown shade, and this is going to go in the crease. Pacific Northwest, and we actually experienced a little earthquake today. I was laying on my couch and I had my eyes closed. I thought somebody was shaking the couch, but no, it was just a little earthquake. All right, so this is Desert. Put that right over what I just kind of put. Just blending that out. I'm just going to dip a little bit into it, a little bit on the brow line. All right, perfect. So this is the bronzer. Nice mirror that it comes with too. Bronze up the forehead and cheeks. Let's add some blush. Here we are. This is in Blossom. We do have highlighters, I just don't have any on hand. Forgot to use my primer. So I did have a eyeshadow primer, but I forgot to use that. I'm just gonna go in here in the shade Light Medium with the eyebrow wand. Gonna curl my lashes. I just ran out of my ARBONNE mascara. So for today, I am going to be using Roller Lash by Benefit. And line the lips. This is in Peach lip liner. Very natural shade. Lipstick in Willow, my favorite, my go-to. Let's go ahead and top it with Hazel. And there you have it. Simple Arbonne full makeup look. And there's plenty of options out there. There's, I also have a CC cream that I also use from them. Different kinds of foundations and powders, all different shades of everything. So, it's just really nice to know that it's natural and doesn't have a lot of toxins in the makeup, because your skin is so important. It's, you know, the largest organ, and so it's just gonna, you know, absorb anything that you put on it. So if you can kind of minimize kind of any toxins that you're using on a daily basis, I just think it's an investment because it's your body. You know, you are your greatest investment, so might as well just kind of purchase things that you know are beneficial for yourself. So I'm actually going to go ahead and make some detox tea. It's the best tea ever, and I'm addicted to it. I have one in the morning and in the night, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that and just kind of relax. So you guys take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video.